Listen, you old soldiers, we will disinfect the Henry Towers. To fight COVID-19, all people must get out.
Ano nangyari?
Ano, mag-usap tayo.
Daddy, how much longer we will see Mommy?
Teka lang, Cristel. Relax ka lang. Papunta na tayo 5 minutes lang. Susundin na natin yung mami mo. Na-trap kasi siya sa building. Ito na, liliko na tayo. Pasukin niyo ako. Pasukin niyo ako.
Sir, bawal po kayong pumasok. I-disinfect na po yung building in 5 minutes.
Patusukin niyo ko yung asawa ko nandyan. Kailangan ko siya iligtas. Matatrap siya. Malalason siya. Kaya nga kami nandito para kunin. Asawa ko nagmamadali ako. Kunin niyo na kayo.
Sir, bawal po kayong pumasok.
Bakit? Kailangan ko yung asawa ko. Kaya nga kami nandito. Malalason siya sa loob.
Teka lang po, sir. Tatawagin ko lang po si Sir Arnold.
Hello, Dr. Arnold. This is General Cesar Ramirez. Meron po nagpupumili pumasok sa building. Si Mr. Atangco po. Yung gustong pumasok kasi natrap daw sa building yung misis niya.
Dapat di mo sinagot yun.
Sige po, papayagan po namin siya makapasok.
Pasok na po kayo, sir.
Sige, salamat. By the way, ako pala si Sean Atengco, anak namin, Cristel Atengco. Kukunin ko yung asawa ko si Cristel doon sa taas. Sige, bilisan na natin. Prince, halika na. Madi-disinfect ng buong building. Kailangan na natin umalis dito. Punta kami dito ni Cristel para kunin ka. Ako nang pala dito. Susubukan kong research. Itong gagawin natin para tayo makaligtas.
China has donated several vaccines to several countries, but it is only the donation made to the Philippines that was carried.
Ngayong hapon, kasama ng Pangulo ang mga opisyal ng National Task Force Against COVID-19 at IATF pati mga kinatawan mula sa Embahada ng Amerika sa Pilipinas sa naturang ceremonial turnover.
Patayin niya, kaya lang hindi ko malaman.
War that he admits we cannot win.
But you know, the issue of the West Philippine Sea remains to be a question forever.
Treating it like a loose change. Retired Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio says that the country should urge the United Nations to ask China to surrender its claims. A maritime expert agrees that this is among the options.
Daddy!
Kaligtas din tayo.
So this is the President of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Arnold.
Huwag mo na subukan. Sumama ka na sa amin dito sa researcher team. Huwag mong subukan si President Duterte. Delikado yan. Baka
Tarantado Tatalaga. Shana nanguna huwag kang makiki alam sakin ika na chekwaka.
Ba't mo ako sinutok doon?
Dr. Arnold.
Ikaw may-ari ng kumpanya ito. Kaya mo na kami saktan. Kaya mo na kami malitain. Ha? Ano?
Dr. Arnold, stop saying bad words. You have now rights to say it. Enak Bani President Duterte. Why did you do this?
Sean and Dr. Arnold, stop fighting, and yes, Arnold, stop saying bad words. It's not good to our team.
At Senator Nick.
Ito kasi si Dr. Arnold. Sinasaway ko na nga siya eh. Para hindi siya saktan ni Duterte. Ako na nga nagmamalasakit. Ako bang ilawan? Ha?
Duterte bad boy not good president. And killer.
Shoot them dead.
Dr. Arnold.
Wala ka pa ba na mabuting tao si President Duterte? And my team.
He's only doing his job to save us. And Dr. Arnold is a drug syndicate. Didn't know about that, but let's just look what good things can Duterte do.
Minsan, isip ko rin naman yung sinasabi ni Dr. Arnold. Pero kung minsan, bibig pa rin naman natin na mabuti siyang tao para lang siyang isang mga magulang natin nagagalit na pintura. Pero ginagawa din ang ito para pagkataan ng bawat isa, labanan ang mga iligal, mga kriminal na silang tunay na kalaban na sinisira sa ating bansa. Dr. RJ, ano pong may paglilingkod namin sa'yo? You're also here in the church.
Come with me, Sean. We will give you a special award.
Ganun po ba? Sige. Papunta na ako dyan.
I want to give Mr. Sean Atenko as our best research team on my RJ Lingo researcher as one of the bravest to study the Duterte legacy.
RJ, sa iyong tiwala at sa aking pamilya, bilang isang magulang, napakasaya na nabigyan niyo ako ng award as a researcher for President Duterte on his legacy, on his good works na na-discover ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Ito pong research na to ay talagang para sa ating lahat, for my family and of course, in discovering good to Mr. President Duterte. Sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers. Salamat sa inyo sa award na pinagkaloob niyo sa akin. Dr. RJ, maraming salamat. And of course, kahit papano, so maraming salamat kay Dr. Arnold Castillo. Pagkaroon din tayo ng ganitong award. Best Researcher.
Mine is human life.
I see your monster.
I see your pain.
Tell me your problem. I chase them away. I be your light sound and make it okay.
When I see your monsters,
I stand there so brave
and chase them all away. In the dark, we stand apart. We never see that the things you need are staring right at us. You just wanna hide. Never show your smile. Stand alone when you need someone. It's the hardest thing of all.
that you see all the bad
Memories, take your time, you find me.
When I see your monster,
I see your pain.
tell me your problem.
I chase them away.
I be your light down
I'll
and
make it okay. When I see your monsters,
I stand there so brave. I chase them all away.
I can see the sky, beautiful tonight. When you breathe, why can't you see that the clouds are in your hand?
I will stay there.
No need to fear. When you need to talk it out with someone you can trust, you see all the bad memories. Take your time, you find me. I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I chase them away. I'll be your lighthouse.